Let's package an order for Karen. She purchased 2 coin purse bundles featuring the blue owl and frog designs. Included in the original order is a silicone owl keychain charm and a frog light and sound keychain charm. While I was preparing Karen's items, I realized I have a blue owl light and sound keychain charm that I haven't promoted yet, just like the frog. I wondered if she would like both coin purses to have the same charm. So I emailed her and asked if I could swap the silicone owl for the light and sound owl at no charge. That way, both coin purse bundles will have a light and sound keychain. As always, every order receives a free gift to show my appreciation for your business. I try to match the gifts to the product somehow, either with a mini version or same color, depending on what I have in stock. Since I didn't have anything froggish, I gave her a green balloon dog keychain and a mini blue owl keychain. Karen mentioned in her email that these were gifts, so I hope whoever receives these adorable critters loves them. Thank you so much for your order, Karen.